Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by stabilizing the vehicle and exposing the C-clip. Safety first. Use a jack and stand so the axle is supported and you have clear access. Once done, clean grime from the groove and apply penetrating oil to loosen corrosion. This prevents snapping. Now position a flat screwdriver or snap ring pliers at the clip edge and tap gently to break it free. Keep fingers clear and keep parts supported. You want controlled force, not a sudden yank. You now extract the clip with the appropriate tool: snap ring pliers for internal clips, a small flat screwdriver for external C-clips. Hold the axle shaft firmly so it cannot slide forward as you pry. This prevents damage to bearings. Make short, deliberate lever motions rather than one big pull, because clips can spring out. Once the clip moves past its groove, let it rest on a magnet or rag. This keeps it from flying away. Then inspect the groove and shaft for wear or burr. You finish by fitting a new or clean C-clip so it seats fully in the groove. Compress evenly with pliers and verify it snaps into place. Once done, reassemble any removed components and torque fasteners to spec. Make sure there is no axial play and that the shaft rotates smoothly. If the clip won't seat, stop and clean the groove or lightly deburr with a file. Forcing a misfit clip risks part failure. One troubleshooting tip: if the clip springs away, use a magnet or tape to control it before seating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.